the tunnel, nigga. Fuck. Get this situated. Thing or something. I don't know. Some bullshit. Woo. That's what I'm saying. Home sweet home, bitches. Traffic. Let it go. Bouncing down the road in the monster truck, what difference does it make? Run these motherfuckers over. Prepare to be amazed. I haven't seen this view in a long time. I used to see it every fucking day. Love this. Fucking love this. What I'm talking about. Shazam! Ooh, shit. Better pay the fucking attention. Fuck around and take somebody out. Oh, fuck. Yeah, little fucking scatterbrain. Look at that joint up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Because the motherfucking phone is in the pocket. Somewhere down yonder way. Oh, look. The fucking cliff is falling down. Oh, damn. We're gonna have to put in another fucking tunnel. That's why they call it Devil Slide, nigga. Shit. Beautiful. Love the fucking ocean. No fucks given. Love you, Mom. See you soon. We'll fucking climb over some shit. Got you, Raptor. Fucking day. That's all I'm saying. What a fucking day. God, it's beautiful. We'll make a quick pit stop. Go see the fucking Frenchman. Look at that shit. Can you see that shit? Can you see that shit? Oh, fucking gorgeous. So nice. So nice. Cali. About the only good thing left about Cali is the fucking ocean. The rest of it's a fucking armpit. Alright, no more hating. Be at the beach later. Fuck the beach for a minute. Let's go see the old homestead, shall we? Sometimes you don't realize how good you got it till it's gone. What the fuck's going on out here? What the fuck are these people doing? I'll have to peep that out later. Oh, it's fucking eroded. Shit. Wow. Crazy. What Mother Nature giveth, the bitch taketh away. Trust me. I know. Let's go see the old homestead, shall we? Take a quick buzz through the fucking hood. Yep. We gotta double back to 7th Street. Here we go. The old post office, which I think I still have a key for. LOL. Bitches. Up the hill. Womp. Yes, this was Johnny O's street. Great little fucking neighborhood. Spot is just up here on the right. That's all fucking brand new. That house wasn't there. There's a fucking bazillion dollars. Where's daddy old house? Oh, something's changed. Holy shit, what the fuck's going on in there? Where's my house? On the wrong block? Yeah. Fuck, can't even recognize shit anymore. Been so fucking long. Alright, I think we're up here on the right. 428. Where the fuck are we looking at here? 412. There it is. White picket fence. There's the garage. There's Papa's old shit. All kinds of cars. God damn. Wonder who got it. What a fucking drag. It wasn't me. Oh well. It is what it is. Peace out.